63 Ford F100 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Custom build that's been done over the last couple years. It's actually riding on a 78 Bronco chassis, original Colorado truck, powered by a 460 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped to power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front in this one. Turquoise color exterior with the black interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out all those pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Polished wheels, Yokohama tires on. Plenty of tread left on those babies. You can see how clean it is underneath this truck too. Paint shows well, no doubt about that. Take a look from front to rear down the passenger side. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer on the interior, take a look at the bench seat, dash, start it up, let you hear it run. We're even going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And as you can see, panel's nice and straight. Paint shows well, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find an imperfection here or there, but tell you what, pretty few and far in between. As far as the bed of the truck, rubber bed mat in it. Finished off with the St. Pate color. There's also a box of some miscellaneous receipts. I noticed a few just kind of wiring things for the Sniper fuel injection system that this has on it. We're going to get to that in just a bit when you can hear it run. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com for all those still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As we take a look down the driver's side, if you're into these early 60s Fords, or maybe just like Ford trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles within the videos themselves are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor. And you can see paint on the driver's side shows well also, nice shine to it. Again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Little service work that was just done to this truck. New valve cover gaskets. Also new front axle seals. And like I said, the majority of the work as far as the restoration and the work done in this truck was done within the last 2 years. Also want to point out something on the interior here. Let's go ahead and take a little closer peek. This does have power windows. So these cranks do not go all the way around. They're just a power actuator for the window to up and down. So it does have power windows. And as you can see, door panels look good. Again, the black and turquoise carrying through the interior. Bench seat. Seat belts intact. Tilt column. Otherwise, pretty stock looking dash with the exception of that column and the aftermarket retro sound style radio. Under dash AC. That is working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Turn that key on a second. Fuel pump run. All right, so again, 460 V8 Holley Sniper fuel injection system on it. Here's a fuel gauge working, voltmeter. Over here, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Have oil pressure down below. Here's that stereo. That is working also. There we go.
It's safe and it's made right here in the U.S.
The cord running into the glove box is for the Sniper EFI controller. It's a good sounding truck. Good throttle response to that fuel injection. That door closes nicely, side exiting exhaust. All right, let me pause this a second. We'll get this hood open. Let's check out this engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's taking this truck for a drive too. There's a look at the underside of the hood. There it is. As you can see, headers also down in there. We get power steering, power brakes, AC. Aluminum radiator. Nice setup. This will be a fun one, folks. 1963 Ford F100 4x4. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. 507-386-1726. Number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we'd assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very cool 1963 Ford F100. This would be a 4x4. We got the shift lever right down on the floor for a 4-wheel or 2-wheel. This is an automatic transmission right on the column with a nice aftermarket steering wheel. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash that allows you Bluetooth hookup and all the goodies. Turn signal indicator works. Very fun to push the throttle down on this truck. Strong running engine. We've got Sniper EFI screen here for us to monitor the vitals of this engine. On the factory gauges, the volts are reading 14. Fuel gauge is a quarter of a tank. Temperature 190. Oil pressure is 60. There are some water droplets on the hood, as we did have a sprinkle earlier today. Nice driving truck, easy to steer, plenty of power. Comfortable vinyl bench seat in this truck. I must say, a nice looking aqua color on this truck as well that you don't see very often. Kind of a teal green. Power brakes working very well. AC is blowing ice cold right now from the vintage air unit right under the dash. Definitely be nice and cool in the summer. This truck corners well for a tall truck. Doesn't lean very much. And honestly, the tires let loose right there. This truck has a lot of power. It's great to hear that little wisp when you put the throttle down. What a fun truck to drive. Check out all the pictures and learn about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.